Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jinzy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. I am trying to upload 6 times a week so my watch hour goes up. So if you're able to play some of my playlists, I appreciate it. If you're able to watch my video from beginning to the end, I appreciate you guys so much. Today is Freebie Friday, and oh my gosh, you guys, I am so extremely excited because outside it is super gloomy, all right? But here and there, the sun is coming through, and I'm like, oh, I have to take advantage right now to record very fast. So this whole week has been like very gloomy and some rains here and there. And so I was like, you know what? Let's get it going. I don't know exactly how much money I have, you guys, but I am so excited. I do have a few fives, and I do have 110 if I'm not mistaken, but there's definitely more than 3 fives. But let's see. Let's actually check. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So $43, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. Hold on, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking of something in my head and trying to count at the same time. That doesn't work. No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. What the heck? I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 44, 45, 46, 47, $47? What? Hold on, you guys. Hold on. I miscounted. Oh my gosh. What in the heck? Okay, hold on. Let me just do this. I don't know. I'm on break, right? And when I'm trying to think something in my head, I don't know what I'm trying to think, I'll be honest with you. And doing this, yeah, that doesn't work, okay? I miscounted. I am so sorry. But before I go ahead and count again, please, guys, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop today. It is going live today at 3 p.m. Central Time. They're so stinky cute. They are limited. I'm not trying to do as much because, you know, I only have a certain amount of time for me to do this. So each of those right here, this one's going to be $3.75, and the scratch off are going to be $4.75. So scratch off $4.75, not scratch off $3.75. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm telling you, today is one of those days. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, 47. I know we had a 5 in the beginning. Okay, 47. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, you guys. I know we're having a little hard time. Okay, before we get started. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put this right here. Let's get those Freebie Fridays. It's starting to get a little bit darker, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but you can definitely tell outside that those clouds are coming in. All right, I'm so excited. I know for a fact today we're going to complete a saving challenge. There's no way, Jose, we're not going to complete one. Okay. So let's see. All right, the first one is this Easter from my Ko-fi shop. That you can get, that will be in the description. It'll be linked in the description box. Does that make sense? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry. Bear with me. This week just has been a little bit bananas. All right, next is from Budget with Jessica. Okay, next we have my Easter from my shop, Ko-fi shop. That one, we have $1 more left for us to complete that one. So you know for a fact we're going to complete it. This one's also from my shop, Ko-fi shop, for Hello Kitty. You know I love Hello Kitty. And then this is also from my shop. I'm just kidding, not my shop. Crafted by Coco. Am I missing one? Where's the other one? Yes, look. I'm like, oh my gosh, I know I'm missing one. And last but not least, this one is Budget with Jessica. Also in her coffee shop. Oh my goodness. We gotta take a thumbnail. Trying my best not to make this video longer than it should be, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay. I really like the setup here. So I had to move my table. So let me take a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Here we go. Yay. So I had to remove my table to the window so I can do some lighting because I like the natural lighting. Okay, guys, here we go. Here's my beautiful dies that goes everywhere from Dollar Tree. And here we go. Number 6 gets the first 5. Number 3. Yay! You know we completed that one, baby. All right, number 5. Oh, sorry. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry about that, guys. I get too excited. I really like this. Number 1. I really like doing this. It's so much fun. Number 4. Even if you have $20, you guys, ooh, I get a 5 too. Yes. Even though you can, a 6, okay? Even though you can roll a lot of time with a lot of money or roll a little bit, trust me, small amounts do add up really quick. I promise you that. Number 5, come on. Number 2, come on. 4. So it makes me so excited because it is, this one we have to redo again because we have to redo. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Ooh, come on, man. All right. Here we go. Redo on that one. A 4. Like I was saying, small amounts do add up. Number 3. Oh my gosh. Okay. Number 5. Come on. Number 2. Number 6. I forgot what I was saying, I'll be honest with you. 4. Come on. 2. Yay! 2. The good thing. Oh, a 10. A 10. A 10, baby. A 10 for my challenge. Number 1. I really forgot what I was saying. Oh, number 1. Okay. No, redo that one. That one almost up. Redo. How many redos are we going to have today? 4. Oh my gosh. Okay. 3. And last but not least, here we go, girlfriends. A 4. Okay. Wow. Okay. Awesome sauce. Okay. Here we go. Let's see how we do today. I'm excited. So yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but I think I was saying something on the line. Small amounts do add up, even though you have big amounts, especially for Freaky Wednesday, you guys. That day is the day that I'm gonna be doing for everybody to get a little bit of love. I love it. It's so much money because I try to do at least probably 40 to 50 as well. But I love it that it's so much money that anything can get a little bit of love. And trust me, small amounts do add up, guys. Okay. So this one here, we have leftover 2 from last time. And today we have a 3. So again, they're going to be leftover. Again, that is so sad because each little egg is $3. So sorry. So sorry. Let's actually switch them because those bad boys are being left over there all the time. So let's switch them maybe next time to get a better luck. So yeah, I'm excited that on this budgeting community, you guys, there's so many people out here doing budgeting and cash stuffing and all that good stuff, trying to pay off their debts. There's so many people out there. There's a little bit of everything. You know me, I'm very like girly and coquette. Here and there, I try to be neutral as much as I can, but I cannot hide my colors. You know, I'm a color girl. My colors are number 1, purple and pink. I know. Not everyone likes purple. Not everyone likes pink. Not everyone likes nudes. I mean, we all have a little bit of everything. That's what I like about this. All right, guys. This one only got $1. Oh, my gosh. That's so sad. 1, 2, 3. 3 from last time. Now that's 4. So we need 1 more. I know we're going to get it for next time. That's so sad. I'm so sorry. I promise you next time you will be in good terms with us. So yeah, so I love how there's a little bit of everything for everybody. There's so many neutral babes out there. I love watching people with like very neutral colors because it's just so aesthetic pleasing. I'm like, I want to be like that, but I'm like, I can't be like that because, you know, I love colors. I've always been a girly girl with pop of colors. I don't know what it is, but anyways, by the way, I had my hair color purple. Yeah, I know. I would try to find a picture here and put it here, insert it here. I had like my bangs sort of purple. Yeah, you probably be like, what? Yeah, I don't straighten my hair at all. So we have $1 left over from last time. I don't straighten my hair because I have curly hair. So yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And you know, we only needed 1 carrot. So we are done with this one. This makes me so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay. So a 2. All right, let's see how much did this one save. So yeah, so my hair is curly and I don't do my hair maybe once a year. Yeah, once a year I straighten my hair and it only lasts a day or 2 and that's it. And go back to my curly hairs. I may not do my hair again, guys, blonde. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep going blonde? I've been blonde since I was like in middle school. And I feel like I want to go back to black. I went back to black last year for 3 months. Then I hated it. Went back to blondes. But I don't know what to do. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right? No. See? 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, there you go. 24. Yay, challenge completed. Well, this one is all done. So we're going to put it on the side here. And we're going to bring in a new one. And this one, you guys, we're going to do this one. This one is from the Hopeful Budgeter. She posted this on her Ko-fi shop for us to download. And oh my Lanta, so cute. Let's do this one for $2. Not sure how much it will save, but we can do that afterwards. And we will see how much it will save. Or let's do it together right now, actually. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 40. So this one would save us 40, if I'm not mistaken. And let's see how much we have, guys. So we have $6 left from that other challenge. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 donuts. 3 donuts. Oh my goodness. Okay. So far, so good. Yay! Awesome. All right. I hope this fits good in my little envelope. Is it too big? I don't know. We will see. But I'm so excited, you guys, to do this. It's very fun. Yeah, this one might be a little bit too big for my envelope. Exactly like it. Yeah. So this one will be like this. Sorry. I'm so sorry, love. But I'm excited to use that. Ooh-wee. All right. Okay. Yay. Okay, next we still have some more left. Not sure how much we have left, but I know we have more. Okay, so that was that. Ooh. All right. This one here, guys. The Hello Kitty. She doesn't have anything left from last time. So this one got, oh my gosh, she got the most money. There's no way. Yeah, she definitely got the most money here. Yep. All right, this one has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, you guys. 24. Wow. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, 24. Can you believe that? It's starting to look very dark again. So 24. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24? No way. Shut up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my goodness. Yes. By the way, this is from my Ko-fi shop. You can get it there. Guys, I was not expecting that. Okay. Yes. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, you guys. This makes me so happy. I'm going to be going to the bank. Trust me, it makes me so happy completing small amounts. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. You guys, $36 going into my debt payment. What? Okay. All right, guys. Well, that is exciting. So that one's leaving and we're coming in with this one. This one is for $3. All of them are $3. This one was randomly just 5, 2s, and 3. This one is for 3. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one for next time. Oh my goodness, that's exciting. My coffee shop too. Okay, next. All right, so there's that. Okay, this one right here, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each little thing is $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to complete that one. Oh, finger crossed. Knock on wood that we complete it next time. That'll be amazing. Maybe for Freaky Friday, Freaky Wednesday. Not Freaky Friday. Oh my gosh, you hear me? Maybe for Freaky Wednesday, we complete that, you guys. Knock on wood. Cross our fingers, our toes. Let's cross our boobs. And yeah, we may complete that one. I don't know. We will see. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're not gonna do. Why does it do that? Oh my gosh. Sorry, this video is so long. If you're still watching here, leave under the comments a clip, like the little paper clip. If there's a paper clip, if not, leave roll the dice. The little dice. Leave a dice. All right, next. This one has $1 left from last time. All right, so we got 5, 6, 7. $7, and with this one will be 8. So yay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna do 4 on this one, and each of them is $2. So this is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Oh yeah, we're getting close. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Oh my gosh. And this is from Budget with Jessica. Okay. Wow. Okay, awesome sauce. Okay, guys, look at that. I was not expecting to finish one more. I only thought I was going to do 1, not 2, but we did 1 more. So, yay. Awesome sauce. All right, guys, thank you so much. You have a lovely, lovely, lovely Friday. I hope you have a good weekend. I will not be posting a video Saturday. I'm taking Saturday off. That might be my day off. But I will definitely see you back here on Sunday, girlfriend. Heck yes. We're going to be cash stuffing for my binders, for my bill binder, and also for my saving challenges on my regular binder. So yeah, so I'll see you guys here Sunday. And yeah, have a great weekend, you guys. I'm so pumped for this journey. And thank you so much for the support. I love all of you guys. Everyone that is new, everyone that's an OG, anyone that's a middle G that found me not that long ago. And yeah, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Literally, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Adios. See you guys Sunday.